How to fix copyright claim on TikTok. Grab your phone and open any web browser like Chrome or Safari. Type TikTok copyright help into the search bar. This will help you find the right resources to deal with copyright issues. Once you see the search results, tap on the first link that looks like it's from TikTok's official support page. It should have the information you need. On the page, scroll down until you see a section titled something like What to Do if your content was wrongly removed for copyright reasons. This is where you want to be. Look for a link or button that says something like Counter Notification Form. This form is your ticket to challenging the copyright claim. Fill in the required information diligently. Start by indicating that you are the owner of the reported account. Now, it's time to provide specific details about the reported content or account. Type in your report number. Include the date and time the reported content was posted and describe the content or account in question. Identify its location, including the URL. This is your chance to explain why you believe your content or account was reported incorrectly. Be thorough and provide any evidence you have to substantiate your appeal or counterclaim. If you have files to upload, click on Upload File and attach them. Before submitting your counter notification, make sure to carefully read and confirm that the statements are true. Then, sign your name electronically. Before you hit the Submit button, double-check everything. Make sure you've filled in all the required fields and that your explanation makes sense. Then, go ahead and submit the form. After you've submitted the form, TikTok will review your case. It might take some time for them to get back to you, so be patient. Keep an eye on your email or notifications for updates. If you don't hear back after a while, or if you need more help, don't hesitate to reach out again. You can try contacting TikTok support directly for assistance. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to fix a copyright claim on TikTok. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Remember, stay persistent, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance. Happy creating, and we'll see you in the next video.